Now we will learn how to launch the Excel application. First of all, make sure that you have Microsoft Office installed on your PC or your laptop. If the Office application is not installed, then you won't be able to open the Excel application. So once you log in, you will have this screen on your PC or your laptop. Just have to click on the start button here. So the start menu will show like this. Here you will have all the applications in alphabetical order. So you can scroll, go in the section E where you will have the Excel application. This is one way of accessing the Excel application. Now, if you don't find it here, you can just type Excel in the search box here, and the startup menu will show up the Excel app here. Now, if you are using Excel frequently, I will recommend that you pin it to the taskbar. So then it will appear here on the taskbar. This part is a taskbar where you can put the shortcut of all your applications. Right? You can launch it directly from here. So to put it on the taskbar, you just have to right click and then set it pin to start. Or you can pin it to the taskbar. So mine, it's already pinned, that's why it is indicating unpin from taskbar. So I'm not going to use this link to open the Excel. I will show you from the taskbar. So here, okay, I just close this one. Okay, so you just click on this and it will launch the Excel application. Okay, so once it is launched, we will get the Excel interface like this, where you can create a blank workbook, or you can select from the list of Excel templates that Microsoft makes available to you. So here you can see you have the Excel templates for various sectors. Okay, you can go on the internet and search the other templates. If you're not familiar with Excel, then you will be having difficulty to use those templates. Don't worry, during this course, I will teach you all the basics and advanced features so that you can create or modify the existing templates to suit your needs. So let's start from a blank workbook. So once you create a blank workbook, your screen will look like this. Okay, so you need to know the different sections of Excel. So to ease understanding of the Excel interface, I have created this PowerPoint slide so that it will be easier for you to know the different sections instead of just looking at all the whole interface, and you may be a bit lost if you're not able to follow along with it. So the first part is the ribbon. Okay, this is where we will have all the menus. The second part will be the quick access toolbar. Then the formula bar, the worksheet columns. On the left, we will be having the row numbers, all the rows. On the right, we will have the scroll bar where you can scroll up and down if you have a very large document. Then you will have the sheet tabs where you can access different sheets of your workbook. And then you will have the status bar. So just let's have a look at how it looks like. The ribbon consists of this bar. We'll have file, all the menus, file, home, insert, page layout. We will be having different shortcuts and functions attached to each tab. Okay. The next one is the quick access toolbar. Here you can insert the regularly used command buttons. So you don't need to search on the ribbon all the commonly used commands. You can attach it here and it will be readily accessible to you. Next, we will have the formula bar. Now this one you should always make sure that it is visible to you. This is where you will know in which cell you are and what function, in case you have put any formula in a cell, then you can read the data or the formula here. Next will be the worksheet columns. So in Excel, you have several columns made available to you in a sheet. Then you will have the rows. Here you have in Office 365, you will have up to 1 million rows. It's very rare that you are going to use all the rows, but it is the volume that is made available to you. Then you will have the scroll bar. You can scroll up and down if you have a large document you are working on. Then we have the sheet tabs. Here it will display the different sheets that you can create and use. Next, you will have the status bar. This is where you will be getting different information as and when you are working. If you are selecting a range of cells, it can display the sum, the average, minimum, max, and everything here. Okay. And the main part is the cell areas.